Hi ladies, it's Trisha. I want to share a quick project with you today. But first of all, I just want to show you this candlestick. Yesterday I went to a car boot and I picked up two of these candlesticks. And I always look out for wooden candlesticks because I think they make great projects to alter. So I got two of these for £2, so that's £1 each. So I think that's quite a good bargain. And the reason I want to show you this is because I've already used one. Okay, I'm going to film this by hand because of the size of the project, and to be able to show you it in full I need to hold my camera. So here goes. I will try not to shake too much. Okay. Am I going to get it all in? Just about. Okay. So this is my shabby chic birdhouse. Okay, I'm going to go in closer so you can see it. Okay. So this birdhouse is one that my mum bought me for my birthday, and it was just plain wood. And what I did is I painted it pink all over, and then I used a crackle medium, and then I put the white paint on top. I'm just going to go closer so you can see the crackle. And it's very subtle, but I love how it turned out. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I think it looks really cute. Okay, so once I'd done all the painting, I then set about decorating it, and I'm just going to turn it around. So for the roof, I used this rosette, and this actually came off a cushion, a love heart cushion that I bought just after Valentine's, and I cut it up for the trim. So I used that for the roof, and I've done that on both sides. And I think it looks really cute. Then here at the top, I've used this pearl trim here, and then round the birdie hole I've just used some lace from that I had in my stash, and these were actually earrings that I've cut the backs off and just popped one either side. I'll just go in so you can see. And then I used the same lace here all the way around. And then I just popped a rose on each piece, all the way around, and back to the front. Okay, here I used this bead trim, and Fiona sent me this bead trim, and I just think it suits it perfectly. And I just love it. And again, I've done that all the way around. And then this lace I had in my stash, and I've put that all the way around. And then the candlestick. I'm so happy how this turned out. So I painted the candlestick pink again, and then used the crackle and the white paint. I could just lift it up and just show you. So you can see the crackle, and again I was really happy how that turned out. And then I decorated the base of the candlestick. I used these pearl spray. Fiona sent me these pearl spray, and it was hard to use them, but it was just perfect for this project. So thank you, Fiona. They are so gorgeous. And then I used these flowers, rosebuds. And then on the base, what I did is at each section I used an iridescent bead trim, and then I just put some small leaves and small flowers on the corner. And again, I've done that at the back, but just on the base, like that. So this is my shabby chic birdhouse on a candlestick. So ladies, keep an eye out for candlesticks, especially wooden ones, at your car boots and thrift stores and flea markets, because they make great pedestals for projects. So I hope you like my birdhouse, and I hope everyone has a wonderful Easter tomorrow and eats lots of chocolate. And I'll speak to you all soon. Bye for now.